Hi everybody, hope you're well. I wanted to talk to you today about can and could. Now, before we start, apologies about my voice. We had COVID last week and I couldn't speak. So this is can and could and how we use them. So we're talking about ability, habilidad. We're describing abilities and we're describing things we can't do or abilities we don't have. For instance, when I was a child, I could speak French. Now I can't. So you probably realized that can and could are often interchangeable. In the past, we use could, couldn't, normally negative, so no pude dormir anoche, I couldn't sleep last night. My students couldn't concentrate yesterday. Andres couldn't study last night. I couldn't finish the document. These are possibilities or the absence of possibility with could in the past. In the present, can. I can speak a little Spanish. I can't speak Chinese. I could speak Spanish, but I couldn't speak Chinese. So they're interchangeable in the present. In the past, we usually use couldn't. It's usually negative, but we normally say, I couldn't work last night. When I was younger, I could run all day. We use can to talk about possibilities and could, but can is very common. You can do this. We can study tomorrow. I can work on Sunday, but you can also say I could work on Sunday. Possibilities. We use can and could to talk about permission. You can't smoke in this bar, but you could go outside, or you can go outside and smoke. Interchangeable permissions. Requests. Can you help me? Could you explain that, please? Could you give a presentation next week to the boss? Can you give a presentation next week? Interchangeable requests. Could you close the window? This is much more polite than can you close the window? Could you call me tomorrow? Is that possible? Could I study tomorrow? Could you call Carlos, please? Now, some people use be able to. This is just more formal. So, are you able to work tomorrow? It's very formal, it's not very common. It's better to say, could you? Could you work tomorrow? Could you study? In the past, you will hear people say, I haven't been able to study. It's more common, less formal to say, I couldn't study this week or last week. I couldn't study for the exam last night and I couldn't sleep. I wasn't able to sleep last night. You will hear this. It's just a little formal. So as a summary, I can speak 3 languages. I could speak 3 languages now. I'm able to speak 3 languages, just more formal. Again, in the past, I could walk when I was 11 months old. I could speak before my first birthday. I was able to walk when I was 11 months old, and I was able to speak before my first birthday. Exactly the same, just a little bit more formal and less common, really, when you use be able to. So that's can and could. I hope this was of some use to you. So try to remember, I could eat ahiako, but I couldn't eat mondongo. See you in the next one. Hope this helped. Bye-bye for now.